Look at this raised bed. It has served me well. But before I put one fall crop into this garden, there's work that needs to be done. The soil needs attention. The bed needs to be refreshed. And today, I'm giving this raised bed a complete makeover using wood chips and fresh potting soil and homemade compost. And the big question is, can I get this bed ready for a productive fall garden without completely starting over? Welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy gardening and growing your own food and getting the most out of your garden, then you're in the right spot. Let's get to it. Fall gardening is one of my favorite times of the year. The temperatures begin to change somewhat. Those brutal summer conditions start easing up, and suddenly there's a whole new list of vegetables to grow. But before I put any seeds or seedlings into this bed, I like to give it a little attention, and as you can see, it needs it. This bed has worked hard, and after a season of growing, the soil looks compacted and could stand to use some freshening up. So today, that's what we're going to do. A little cleaning, a little freshening up, and getting it ready for fall. So if you look carefully in the bed, you see that we have some weeds and some spent plants that need to be pulled up, and the soil itself actually looks dry and compacted. So we're going to go ahead and add a little more filler in the form of twigs and wood chips, soil, and mulch. And we're also going to put in a brand new drip system. So down here are my spent beans, bush beans, and I'm just pulling them up. We also have a few weeds that we're going to take care of also. I'm going to take my hand trowel and break up the soil some. That was a millipede that I threw out. Now I still have my cucumber vines in here, but I'm going to pull them up as well. If you remember a few weeks back, we planted some more in another raised bed, and they seem to be coming along pretty well. So this is a compressed brick of wood chips or cocoa mulch. And all you do is add water to it and it expands. If you're familiar with cocoa coir, then This is what that is, pretty much. And after you add water to it, this is what it looks like. Now, I got 2 bricks of this, and I figured that should be enough to add into this raised bed. So we're going to go ahead and do that. The wood chips have been laid down, and for the most part, they look good. I probably could have used 1, maybe 2 more bricks, but we're going to make do with what we got. Next, we're going to add 4 bags of soil in. Look at this raised bed. It has served me well, but before I put 1 fall crop into this garden. So the bed is filled and to a decent level. We also added some perlite into it. That's the little white stuff that you see on your screen. Now we're going to go ahead and put in the new sprinkler, or the new drip system rather. It's from Garden in Minutes. It is a 2x7 grid, which will fit this bed and allow me to water every single aspect of the bed and do square foot planting. So this is a extender, and I'll talk about that more in a minute. Here is the actual drip, and you may have seen me put one of these together in another video or a previous video, but we're going to go ahead and do this one pretty much the same way. So this piece here is going to connect to these pieces here. And we're just going to push them in. And making sure that they're on nice and snug. Now, here is the piece that my spout for the water supply will go to. So we're going to place that here. Tilt it up. And now the drip system is ready for use. And we're just going to press it down so that it fits into the bed. And as I said, every part of the bed now will get watered. Now I'm going to take this and go over on the other side and connect it and show you what I will be doing with it. I went ahead and connected this piece to this piece, and as you see, we have it pointing at a 90-degree angle connected to the riser. The riser has a on-off knob, and down here is where I connect my water source. Now, in the future, what I'm going to do is actually have this running from here over to that raised bed, so that I'm going to try to have at least 3 raised beds connected together, and all of them with their own on-off switch, so that I will be able to water all of them at one time. And we're going to have 2 zones in the garden for the raised beds, and the containers and the 5-gallon pots are already on their own zone. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we refurbished this raised bed by adding nutrients and more soil, compost, perlite, and a new drip system into the bed. Out of all the beds that we have furbished on so far, this was the one that really needed it the most. It was really compacted, and about half of the soil from where I had it when I first filled it, it shrank down to about half of that. Now, I'm assuming that that's because a lot of the stuff that I put in when I first filled this bed has decomposed, which is to be expected. But still, that's a lot of soil to have added. You may have heard me say in the video that I wanted to add 4 bags of soil. I actually added 7, and we're good to go now. As I said, I wanted to do collard greens in this bed. I'm not sure if I will or not. I'm thinking about now of doing my cabbages. And what I will do with the cabbages is plant one in one square, skip a square, plant another one, skip a square, and then adjacent to the one that I skipped, plant another variety in there. I will videotape how I do that, and that will be in an upcoming video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. My question for you is, how do you all refurbish your beds? Is it similar to what I do, or is it something completely different? Let me know. If you enjoy gardening, planting new food, growing your own food, homesteading, and cooking, and living a simple way of life, this channel is for you. If you haven't subscribed, take a moment to consider doing so. And guess what? It is absolutely free. It doesn't cost you anything. If you do subscribe, hit that notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Moving forward, my videos now will be airing on Sunday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Occasionally there will be a 4th video airing, but primarily we are cutting back to 3 videos. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.